Welcome. We're going to answer this question here. It says, at the start of a particular week, Kim has 3 red apples and 2 green apples. She eats 1 apple every day. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of that week, she randomly selects an apple to eat. In this 3-day period, the probability that Kim does not eat an apple of the same color on any two consecutive days. Okay, so we need to figure out the probability that Kim does not eat an apple of the same color on 2 consecutive days. Okay, so what does that look like? So that means she could have like a red apple, then a green apple, then a red apple. Or it could mean she has a green apple, a red apple, and a green apple. And those are the only 2 options, aren't they? That's the only way for this to work, because it's a 3-day period and you can't have 2 of the same colors on consecutive days. So this is it. Now we just got to figure out the probability of each. So what's the probability that on day 1 she has a red apple? Well, there are 3 red apples and there are 2 green apples. So that means there are 5 apples in total, 3 of which are green. We'll then multiply that by, on the second day, the probability that she eats a green apple. So notice that we are now down 1 apple. So this is like doing something without replacement. We are down 1 apple, we've eaten 1, so there's now 4, and there are still 2 green apples. Then the probability that she has a red apple on the 3rd day is going to be, now we've only got 3 to choose from now because we've eaten 2 of the apples. And then you got to ask yourself, all right, we ate a red one on the first day, so this is going to be 2. Perfect. Now there is a way that you could just simplify going across here. So you could say, all right, this 2 will become 1, that will become that will cancel with that 3 will cancel with that 3. Look at that. We answered that pretty quickly. Our answer is just going to be 1 on 5. Nice. Then we're going to do the same thing for this option right here. So we know that it's going to be 5 apples, then 4 apples, then 3 apples. We start off with 2 green, 3 red, and then 1 there. So just going down, then we can simplify this. This 3 will cancel with that. That will become 1, that will become 2. So that means this will become 1 on 10. 1 on 10. What I would then do maybe is say, well, this is the same as 2 on 10. And if I plus these together, because you want to plus these together, you want to go the probability of that. You want to go the probability of this, the probability of that, and you want to add those together. So red, green, red, plus probability of green, red, green is going to be 2 on 10 plus 1 on 10, which is 3 on 10, which is C. That's how you would approach that question there. A nice little question. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you later.